Forged in frost and spirit's flame, with wings of steel and whispered name. Through